Hi loves, and welcome back to my channel. It's Dr. Jack of all trades, and this is Vlogmas 2020. While you're here, please subscribe, give me a like, and leave a comment, and don't forget to share. Good morning, everybody. It's Vlogmas day 9, and today for me, it's all about cleaning. Welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm so happy to see you here. If you have subscribed, thank you from the bottom of my heart. If you haven't subscribed, please do. If this is your first time here, welcome. Join me today as I work on cleaning this place up. I need to clean my floors. That is my main thing, is getting these floors together. So I'm going to be cleaning up all of the other little stuff. As you know, my grandson, he paid me a visit, and it was one of the most sweet visits ever. But he likes to play with everything, and so there's quite a bit of stuff out of place. So why don't you come along and clean with me today? I hope you have a wonderful Vlogmas day 9, and I'll chat with you soon. Bye-bye. So what I have here are all the cleaning products that I'm going to be using today. You know, I have a little furry friend that tracks all kinds of grime and dirt through the house, and so I have to clean my floors at least 2 or 3 times a week. I don't always do the deep cleaning. I maybe do that once a week, but every day I'm going to run the mop over and or the wet mop or the damp mop over, and then I'm going to also use some products at least 2 or 3 times a week. So these are those products that I'm going to be using in the kitchen, the dining room, the den, and so forth. And I'm making coffee because I gotta get that in my system first. So yeah, let's get it cracking. So right now what I'm going to do is start by clearing off this table in the my little breakfast nook area. You know, I have an actual room that when we built the house that was supposed to be the dining room, but we don't really use it. It was just wasted space. So we converted that into my conversation room, and I use this breakfast nook area as my little dining area. It fits my lifestyle. It fits my family's lifestyle better. And so that's what we do. So I started off initially by trying to just clean, moving my runner and flowers and things, and just cleaning a little bit like that, going through, and I, was gonna call myself just gonna clean around that runner, but yeah, that didn't work out so good. So I'm cleaning under the bottom of the table. It has that storage area under there, and sometimes crumbs and stuff will fall under there, and so I'm moving items out of the way. And this is when it dawned on me, you know what, girl, just move all this stuff off the table. That makes so much more sense. Just move everything off the table, clean the table, and return it. See? So that's what I did. I'm using the Lysol, their hydrogen peroxide cleaner. Oh, it smells so good, and I was so happy to finally see these back on the shelves at Walmart because I hadn't seen them in months. And so I picked up I think 3 or 4 of these, gave my daughter one, and picked up a couple a few weeks ago because it's a multi-surface cleanser. You can use it on pretty much anything. There's no bleach in it, so you don't have to worry about it staining or fading anything. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. I'm just cleaning. Now I'm putting on a little bit of my Febreze cleanser, dust and wax cleanser in the scent lavender. That smells good too. And this is to kind of just give my table a little bit of a shine. It's it's not a wax, but it is a furniture polish. It's a multi-surface polish and cleanser as well, and it smells super good. I love things that smell good and clean and fresh, and so I'm just going to do that. And now that that is clean, I'm going to replace all of my items. And yes, the table runner is not even. I noticed it a little later on. That's what happens when you are filming. You don't know what you're doing, girl. But no, I fixed it. Never mind, because that right, just looking at it now is really giving me like anxiety. I cannot stand that it's not straight. But I did go back later and fix it and make it even and everything. So please, guys, don't shoot me down, okay? I did fix it. But anyway, I'm just putting everything back and trying to get it all neat and everything, and get it prepared to put the other items on. What are some products that you guys like to use on your wood furniture? Leave it in the comments below, because I'm always looking for if there's something better to use. I'll give it a try. I like things that smell good and that actually clean. I don't want something that just smells good and doesn't do anything, you know. So now what I'm gonna do is get my little cordless shark vacuum. My husband bought this for me a year or so ago. It is a dream, I tell you. It's so light. You can clean floors, you can clean rugs. So it works on both floors and rugs. It has settings for high power rugs, and it has setting for the floor. So yeah, I'm just gonna go over the rug that's under the table and also the floor that's around the table. Just gonna clean that up real good. My daughter and my grandson, they are, she's actually my assistant. She works with me, so she is actually in there answering some emails and things for me. Such a big help. I appreciate her so very much, and it allows me to do this and create content. So yeah, so I am done with that. Hey y'all. Now I'm moving on. It's a little later now. I had to take a break and do some things. Hubby's home. Has our little man in his arms, and he's running around with him, playing with him over there on the couch. My grandson loves for my my hubby to tickle him. So yeah, I'm just gonna clean the sofa, the chair, and the love seat. That's what I'm doing now. I'm just vacuuming and moving throws, moving cushions, vacuuming all underneath there, cleaning it up. And little man is just staying in my footsteps. He wants to help Grammy so much, and you know what that means. When little fingers help, it might be a little bit more work, but he's sweeping. If you can see that, he has a Swiffer and he's doing good. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep vacuuming. Now I'm gonna replace my pillows, put those back. That's his little weighted blanket from nap time. I'm gonna fold that up and put it away, and put those other items away, camera and stuff like that, and continue my vacuuming. And just going under the cushions and cleaning up really good, because I like to get all of the crevices. When you have little ones and a furry friend, you have to do this often. So I do this at least once like maybe once a week if I'm lazy, and if I'm doing really good, twice a week. And so I'm just cleaning off those little stools out there, and cleaning off the table, the coffee table, cleaning up more toys and things that he's had, his little toys, cleaning off my mantle, and my daughter brought me the feather duster, so I'm gonna clean that off with the feather duster. Finish cleaning up the little den area and get that all nice and neat. And so what I'm doing is I'm doing all my sweeping and dusting and cleaning first, so that the floors are ready for the mop. So I've made my way to the foyer. Do y'all see those laser lights out there? My hubby put those out there for my grandchildren. They like to see those lights. But anyway, I'm dusting off my little end table, moving things out of the way, cleaning that up, making it all nice and clean and shiny. And so I'm going to now use my little cordless vac and get the floor swept and cleaned up, do all that. So I've made my way into my conversation room, and grandson is running around with me, and I'm just gonna do a little light cleaning up in here as well. It's not very dirty in here. Just need to kind of get some of this glitter up off the floor from the Christmas tree, so I'm gonna use my vacuum for that. Yep, just a little bit, little cleaning. And this is probably the longest part, because I gotta get all of this cleaned up. So I'm washing dishes first, and I use Dawn. It's one of my favorites, OG favorites. Just using the Dawn dish. I didn't have a whole lot of dishes, but these are just from like lunch and stuff like that. And so I'm just cleaning up the dishes. I don't make a sink of water because I never have a whole lot of dishes to wash. And if I do have a lot, I'm gonna pop them in the dishwasher. So I just kind of run water and wash them that way. Now I am drying everything so that I can get ready I want to do that. When I'm lazy, y'all, and I'm tired, I will put out a drying mat and let those just sit on the counter and dry overnight. Don't shoot me down, y'all. I know I shouldn't do that, but I do sometimes. Hey, I do. So now I am just putting up my dishes, putting them in their respective places. Everything has a place and everything is in its place. So I'm doing that. I'm cleaning up and finish drying my little items, putting those away. And now I'm cleaning off that counter. Yeah, I have got to find the stools or the chairs that I'm going to use here at this breakfast counter. Give me some ideas in the comments of where I could go to find some. I haven't had much luck. I want them to be the right color. I need them to be the right style. You know, I just want to be able to say, yes, these are the perfect chairs when I see them. So what I'm doing now is using my stainless steel cleanser to clean off the front of my dishwasher. Sorry, lost my train of thought. But anyway, I'm going to clean my Keurig. I'm using this K-Cup cleaner and descaling kit. And so it's a two-step process that cleans your machine. It extends the life of your machine. So it says it is a citric acid based cleaner. And so while that's doing its job, I'm going to be cleaning out my sink using some Clorox spray and some little pearls to clean my garbage disposal. And now I've made my way over to the other side of the kitchen. I'm still using my Clorox spray to clean off the counters, the stove, and the front of my cabinets. And then I'm going to use the stainless steel cleaner on the stainless steel parts of my stove and my microwave. For the glass portions of those items, I use Windex. I realized I didn't clean the inside of my microwave, so I did that real quick. It wasn't really dirty. So yeah, just finishing that up. I'm gonna clean off the front of my refrigerator. Sorry it's out of the frame, guys, but I'm using that stainless steel cleanser to clean off the front of the refrigerator. Part 2 of the Keurig cleaner goes in. This is a 2-step process. You clean the reservoir first and then you clean the cup second. And I walked away and it spilled, but that's okay. It was an easy cleanup. And so I'm just finishing up that. Try that out and let me know what you think about it. Okay. And yeah, it's can be bought at Walmart. All right, so I am just now sweeping and getting all that cleaned up, making sure my floors are cleaned up, all the food and glitter and all that kind of stuff. And then I'm gonna run over the floor with the vacuum cleaner just to catch any little particles that I may have missed. Get that cleaned up real good. And hey loves, how y'all doing? It is late, but I wanted to hop back on here and show you guys something. You remember in my skincare routine, I was telling you that I got a lot of my serums from, sorry about that. I got a lot of my serums from TJ Maxx, and I wanted to show you, they have some great deals at TJ Maxx. Let me show you what I picked up the other day. So I found this little Kate Somerville gift set. You know, Kate Somerville is really one of my faves, and she can be quite pricey. But I found this little set at TJ Maxx, and I think it was like $25, $24.99. And what you get in the gift set is, I'll show you. It's a little some trial sizes of some of her best-selling products. And so you get the mask that I used, the Kate Somerville Exfoliate, if I could get it in the frame, the Exfoliate scrub. You also, get out of the way, you also get the Kate Somerville cleanser, the Exfoliate cleanser. And then you get the Dermal Quench Liquid Lift Advanced Wrinkle Treatment. And I don't know the retail prices of the regular size of the cleanser and the wrinkle treatment, but I know this in the size that I had it's like $100, like $98 for the size that I have. So to get these little trial sizes, 3 products for $25 is not bad at all. So don't sleep on TJ Maxx. I can't imagine anybody in this day and age not knowing that you can get some great deals out of TJ Maxx. So yeah, I just wanted to show you that because you know, you can find some really great deals in TJ Maxx. I'm telling you, TJ Maxx, Home Goods, Marshalls, Ross, any of those type stores, honey, that is a vibe. It is a whole mood. I love going in TJ Maxx and going, I think they, out of those that I named, they have the better, to me, the better skincare, hair care, beauty, health and beauty section. Oh my God. I can just lose myself in there. I find so many gems in that stores, in those stores. So if you haven't been checking those places for skincare and hair care and any other kind of care, you're missing out. So make sure that you do that. So yeah, I am in my bathroom. I'm getting ready to take a shower. And then I'm gonna go and tidy up my bedroom and get it ready for bed. You know, I like to have everything in its place and have everything all nice and tidy. And then I may even make a cup of tea and snuggle up and watch a good movie. Maybe. Something like that. But yeah, but I wanted to tell you that Kate Somerville, nice little gift set, TJ Maxx, $25. Go get you some. All right. See y'all in a bit. Hey guys. Oh, it is late. It is almost midnight and I am still up and I don't know why, but I'm going to be going to bed soon. I'm just waiting on hubby. So I had to record real quick and just say a good night. I am watching a Christmas movie. It's an old favorite. I'll show you what it is. You can tell me if you know. You guys know what this movie is. It's one of my favorites. It's an oldie, but a goodie. Good old Jimmy Stewart. Y'all know what it is? Leave it in the comments if you know. Okay, guys, I am going to turn off these lights and get ready for bed. Hubby should be making his way in here pretty soon. Yeah, so I thank y'all for spending the day with me today for a little while. Oh, do y'all see that Nivea on my nightstand right there? I love that. Another TJ Maxx find. I think it was $4 or $5 for that little jar of cream. That's my nighttime skin polishing cream or skin care cream. Skin cream. My nighttime skin cream. So, okay, my loves, you all have a wonderful night. Beautiful dreams. Before you go, please subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video. Leave me a comment, share, and tell your friends, and be sure to hit that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a new video. All right, everybody. Y'all be blessed. Have a good one. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.